I've got this wooden, it's actually an old ammo box, and somebody put this divider in it. I want to take that out, but they nailed it in, and I don't want to wreck the box at all. It is old box, so the only thing I could figure to get that out of there is take an angle grinder and cut down as far as I can here. I'm gonna have to figure out somehow to cut down further. Maybe a sawzall. Very carefully, because I don't want to cut that bottom. I'll give that a try. I'm gonna try the sawzall very carefully. That blade came loose. I got it tightened up. I have to use something else to get down in there. I've got this cut down to about right there, and I want to use this tool to cut down as far as I can, but I cut this in the middle. This doesn't fit, so I need to try and break this piece of wood off here carefully. And now, let's see how this works. I gotta get a screwdriver and tighten that up. That's just spinning. And I'll cut down as far as I can there. I've got that cut down as far as I can go. That's very carefully. There we go. Now, those nails, I'm going to get a hammer and see if I can't pound those out. Got this hanging, the nails are over the edge of this table. And then take a plier, just twist those, and come right out. Awesome. I'll take out the other three. Be sure and check out my other videos.